Hello everyone, welcome to Top Notch RC. Today we are going to give an insight on balsa and its types. Balsa wood has been one of the main materials for the model airplane construction since about 1920. Balsa is light but with high strength. It absorbs the shock and vibrations of the heavy landings quite well, and it can easily be worked with hand tools. Its lightness is due to the microscopic structure of the large water-filled cells, but when dried up becomes empty, holding nothing but air. Balsa is classified into three types, basically on the grain type and the direction of the grains, which determine the rigidity and flexibility of the balsa sheet more than the density does. The image shows how a log is converted into planks with different properties. An A-grain sheet cut from the log so that the tree's annular rings run across the thickness of the sheet. It will be fairly flexible from the edge to edge. On the other hand, if it is C grain cut with the annular rings running parallel to the surface of the sheet, it will be stiff and rigid edge to edge. If the grain direction is less clearly defined, as in B grain, the sheet will have properties intermediate between A and C types. B grain is the most abundant and is suitable for most of the jobs. A grain balsa has long fibers that show up as long grain lines and is very flexible across the width of the sheet. It wraps easily and readily bends across the curves. This type of balsa can be used to cover rounded fuselage, leading edge of the wing, or wherever the sheeting is required. Grain balsa, also known as random or mixed grain cut. Grain lines are shorter than type A and it feels noticeably stiffer across the sheet. And the B grain sheets vary a great deal in the properties. You can see a single sheet where the property varies from A grain to a C grain. You can notice this part is much softer, it can wrap, but the other part where it is a C grain type, it is difficult to bend across. It can be used for making stiffer parts such as trailing edge, wing ribs, formers, and it can also be used as wing leading edge sheeting, wherever the part where the softer or actually A grain or B grain type is available, that can be used for wing leading edge sheeting. C grain, also known as quarter grain. This has much shorter grains compared to A grain or a B grain balsa. It is very stiff across the sheet and also brittle. It splits easily along the sheet. This is the most rare resistant type, but it is also difficult to sand effectively. This type of sheet can be used for control surfaces, fins, flat fuselage sides, wing ribs, formers. These are the three types of balsas available in the market. We are going to show you each of its use case in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more such contents. Thank you.